In today's video, I'll teach you how to check gift card balance in NFLShop. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in nflshop.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of NFL Shop. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to check your gift card balance, for that what you have to do is look at top. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for gift cards. Click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the gift cards interface of NFL Shop. In this interface, what you have to do is scroll down. Now you'll be able to find the section for check gift card balance over here. From here, you'll be able to check the balance. First of all, enter the gift card number. Click on the field of gift card number. Now what you have to do is enter the card number over here. The card number will be in the card itself. Likewise, enter the PIN. What you have to do is click on the field of PIN and enter the PIN over here. After you do that, click on this option, check balance, that you can see on the screen. Now, if the card number and PIN are correct, you'll be able to check the balance of your gift card. So like this, you'll be able to check the balance. So that is how you check gift card balance in NFL Shop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.